your boy Joey, working on the John Deere e120, doing general maintenance. Should clean everything, but that's not today's project. So we'll come over here, we'll show you. We got an air filter. I do like this pre-filter thing. Oil filter, we're changing from the pre-filled whatever it is that they have there to this. Fuel filter and a spark plug. We've had this thing 2 or 3 years now. I'll show you where everything is. Oil filter's here, fuel filter here, spark plug is right here, and air filter's right there. First things first, I'm gonna see if the threads match on this, because Dad bought this as a kit, and if it doesn't, I'll have him return it. I was worried about the size difference, but I think that's just huge because it holds so much oil. So I'm gonna get started and get you back up in a couple minutes. Updates. This kit does not have the adapter. So for now we went with another one of those. I'll do that in the fall, end of the season, or spring next year. Air filter's good, but the only other thing is you'll see here, V-twin. That means 2 spark plugs. This kit only had 1, so I'm not recommending this kit at all. The 1 spark plug does fit. And I think that's the right oil filter when you have the adapter. The air filter fits, the fuel filter fits. So everything else works, but it's just not the right kit for this motor on here. But I'm gonna say peace out here. See you next time. I just want to get this done so I can chill. I don't have everything, so I'm a little frustrated about it, but yeah. More preventive maintenance done. Oh, I should do some greasing, but I don't feel like laying on my back right now. And everything's, oh, maybe I don't have to, so it's right there. Right there on the side. I know there's a few more, but I'll get the steering done. There's one on each side. But anyways, that's Joey out. Remember, don't party too hard. Bye.